Okay, let's go find Tom. There's Tom. What you doing, Tom? Tom's in her nest dumpster. Are you in your nest dumpster, baby? Did you make Mama an egg? Hi, Tom. Let's see if she's got one. Can I see? Can Mama see? Can I see? Did you make me an egg? No? Okay. She hasn't laid her egg yet. It's not under there. This is where she pulled a bunch of her feathers out, here and under her breast. But she'll probably be in there all night tonight. In the morning we'll see what she left us. She's going to make us an egg. Good night, Tom.